If both Rx and Ry are positive, Rx and Ry both are positive, then the resultant lies in the first quadrant and its direction is 5. Rx and Ry is the first quadrant. Second way, Rx is the negative and Ry is the positive. Then the resultant lies in the second quadrant, this one. Rx negative, Ry positive is the second quadrant. 180 माइनस एंगल, मतलब यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, यहाँ से ये 180, मतलब 180 माइनस ये वाला 5 माइनस कर देंगे दिस वन. If both Rx and Ry are the negative, then resultant lies in the third quadrant and its direction is this. Third quadrant, Rx negative, Ry negative, this lies in third quadrant, and direction of this components will be is equal to 180 plus 5. This one direction is this and this one direction is this. If Rx is the positive and Ry is negative, Rx is the positive, Ry is the negative, the resultant lies in the fourth quadrant and its direction is this. Rx is the positive, Ry is the negative, lies in fourth quadrant. The direction of this component 360 minus 5. Okay. So this is the quadrant system of the component of this.